जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं वी कीप ऑन लूजिंग आवर सेंस ऑफ वंडर। आई थॉट कि मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होगा, बट आई वॉज रॉन्ग। एंड ये मुझे तब रियलाइज़ हुआ जब मैंने किसी को पहली बार बर्फ़ में खेलते हुए देखा। ऑल आई नीडेड वॉज फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव एंड थैंक्स टू दिस ट्रिप आई गॉट इट।
I'm at Kasol for my first trip of 2021. I haven't come with any expectations. I just know that Himachal is always a good option. And it's a very short 3-day trip from Delhi. Friday रात को बैठे and Tuesday सुबह वापस आ We are in the Parvati Valley area and this is the famous river.
You would need to hike a little if you want to get closer to the river and enjoy the flow in peace.
मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लग रहा है।
And by hiking a little more, you'll arrive at some very cute cafes.
Bye. हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। सो अभी हम लोग पार्वती वैली में है कसौल के एंड yesterday we did a little hike to Chalal and we went to a cafe and बस चिल किया था वहाँ पे। एंड अभी we are going to do a trek up till Grahan village जो कि around 7 to 8 kilometers लंबा होगा and we're going to stay up there tonight and come back down tomorrow.
We started our trek at around 10:30 in the morning, and major part of it involved passing through beautiful forests with the Parvati river flowing alongside.
ओके तो ये ट्रैक का पुराना रास्ता था, पहले यहाँ से जाते थे। कैन यू सी द रेनबो?
The people in my group were also really sweet. Me being the slowest, they offered to carry my bag for a good part of the trek. And I'm not proud of it, but I'm definitely grateful to them. Still, I was slowing down the speed of the entire group. So I cheated on the trek a little by covering some distance through a car. पर कोई भी व्हीकल आपको ग्राहन ऊपर तक नहीं लेके जा सकता है. You have to climb your way up. And it actually made me happy that I didn't completely betray my trek. जो leftover trek था वो actually सबसे difficult था because we also had to climb through snow.
अभी इतनी गर्मी लग रही है कि मैं 3 लेयर से 1 लेयर पे आ गई हूँ। Finally we've made it. We're staying here in a pretty nice homestay with breathtaking views. This is our room and हमारे रूम का व्यू।
Don't know what's wrong. Something isn't right. Don't feel I belong.
Grahan is so remote that there is no cellular access. Even if you have to book a stay there, the calling numbers are for Kasol. There are only 1 or 2 satellite phones in the entire village and people have to go down to Kasol for everything. Which meant that mera one-time ka trek is actually a way of life for them.
That is Pulgi.
Pulgi was this beautiful flatland area covered with snow. And yes, it also needed some hiking to reach from our homestay.
कैमरे पे फेंक।
One thing that surprised me the most were the mountain dogs. There was actually a dog who guided us throughout our trek from Kasol, stayed with us in Grahan, and came back down with us back to Kasol. Next morning, हमें कसौल वापस आना था, and it was more difficult to climb down because the snow-covered path was extremely slippery. And I'm glad that I invested in some hiking shoes just before the trip. Otherwise, I can't even imagine कि मैं कितनी बार गिरी थी.
The hard part of our trek is finally over. Now we have to walk on this regular terrain.
While climbing down, I didn't cheat, and guess what? I survived. I was able to even enjoy the views better, and I'll call this as an accomplishment.
Officially trek खत्म और अभी हम थोड़ा सा कुछ खा के हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? मणिकर्ण. I'm so proud of myself कि मैं बिल्कुल भी रुकी नहीं उतरते हुए बिकॉज कल मैं बहुत स्टॉप्स लिए थे मैंने.
I do appreciate life and I'm really grateful for it, but this trip also taught me that with a little more faith in myself, I can overcome obstacles and reach my destination, or come back from my destination in this case. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more videos, please subscribe.